These Yeezys are so dirty. Yuck! Where are the gloves? Let's get these clean ASAP. Spray, spray, spray. Scrub, scrub, scrub. OMG, I already see the difference. They are so clean now.